Thanks for watching. Know someone who might be interested in this video? Then please take a moment to like and share it with them. Also, if you would like more videos on immigration, just click on the subscribe button. And here's a little bonus, a short guide that you can download for free by clicking on the link on the description box or the square-shaped image. Plus, if you have ideas for videos you'd like to see, write a short comment below or feel free to contact me at carlos@bataraimmigrationlaw.com or by calling 800-287-1180. My name is Carlos Batara. I appreciate your time and hopefully we'll be talking again very, very soon.